It's a glorious day here at the Cabinet Joint. This is Nick here to tell you about our brand new cabinet line, Access by Cabinet Joint. For almost 2 decades now, our company has provided homeowners with quality and timeless framed cabinetry. Our new line takes a modern, frameless style and ups the sustainability, accessibility, and elegance so that your home can serve you for years to come. With custom sizing for an exact fit to your kitchen or any space in your home, Access cabinets are going to be tailored to your needs in storage and in style. This new line is made from domestically sourced plywood and produced sustainably here in the States, ensuring careful attention to quality and creating jobs for American workers. The design of frameless or full access cabinetry maximizes your storage space, accommodating those wider items and continuing to meet your storage needs as they grow over time. Access cabinets are a superior frameless product with upgraded birch interiors, dovetail drawer boxes, soft close bloom hardware, and laminate surfaces, all of which are going to navigate the busyness of life and resist wear and tear. And you can get started transforming your space with Access cabinets right away. With lead times at an incredible 2 to 3 weeks, an innovative snap and lock technology, and the support of your personal cabinet coach, your home is going to look and perform better than ever. For all the details, you can visit us at accessbycabinetjoint.com. In the time that it took you to watch this video, you could have your quote form finished and submitted. Click the Get a Quote button to start designing your dream home today.